Now we're going to remove the trim panel around the clock. Just be really gentle with this. My plan is to pull toward me with my left hand and use the tool with my right hand. And just take your time with this. You can slowly hear it clipping here. There we go. It does hurt your fingers a little bit, but it's better than cracking one of these up. There you go. Okay. Then we have a connector back here. Let me just get to that right here. Okay. Then you have two screws, two Phillips size screws holding on the bracket. This, make sure you don't want to drop these screws. Okay. Bracket, and there you go.